So we have the mean inequality problem from the Codeforces round 7 to 3 division 2 conducted today, and the problem statement states that we are given an array of two and distinct integers. We want to arrange the elements of the array in a circle such that no element is equal to the arithmetic mean of its two neighbors. So formally we want to find an array such that for every I from 1 to 2n, bi is not equal to bi minus 1 plus bi plus 1 by 2. So we are also given that under the constraints of this problem, this array b always exists. So we are given two and distinct integers, and we want to create an array from these integers such that this condition is followed for each I, and this has to be a circular array, so this condition has to be followed for the first and the last element also. So for the input we will be given the number of tests we have to run, and the length of array for each test, and the array for each test. And let us head on to the logic for this problem. The logic can be understood that we are given two and integers, right? So let us say, as these are distinct integers, these are a1 a2 till a2n. So what we can say is that if we sort this array, sort the given input array using the O and log and time complexity, we will get another array, and we update this array only, so we get a1 a2 and a2n. This is in strictly increasing order. So we want the condition such that bi is not equal to bi minus 1 plus bi plus 1 divided by 2. So this condition can be achieved by arranging the elements of the sorted array in a specific order. So this can be done by arranging the elements in this order: a1 a2n a2 a2n minus 1 a3 a2n minus 2, and so on for the rest of the elements till an and an plus 1. So this goes on until an 2 and an plus 1. So this satisfies the given condition, and this can be proved by seeing any three consecutive elements. So let us see the first three elements, so a1 and a2. Now the mean of a1 and a2 will obviously occur in a1 plus in the range a1 to a2, but as the array initially a1 to a2 to a2n is in sorted order, we are sure that a2n will always be greater than a1 plus a2 by 2. So and similarly for the next three elements, for a2n for a2n a2 and a2n minus 1, we are sure that a2n plus the mean of a2n and a2n minus 1 will be in the range a2n minus 1 a2n. So but a2, as it is at a lower index in the sorted array than a2n minus 1, will always be less than a2n minus 1. So a2 is not equal to the mean of a2n plus and a2n minus 1. Similarly for the others, and for the circular thing, what we can say is that as there are even number of total elements, so this array will end at an plus 1. So the mean of an plus 1 and a2n will be greater than an plus 1, which is always greater than a1. So that condition is also true. So the code for the same is, for each test we take the input of the number of elements, then take the input array, then sort the input array, and for achieving the result we just add the elements alternatively from the starting of the array and ending of the array as shown, and then printing out the result. So this over here is the solution for that. And if we go on to submit this solution, we see that our solution is accepted.